Hey, what's going on? Mike Hobbs here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to share your phone screen. So a lot of people have been asking me this question on Zoom. So maybe you're doing a tutorial, you want to show people how to use like a TikTok app or an Instagram, or maybe just editing a video on your phone or some reason, and you just want to do a tutorial and you want to share your screen. So I'm going to show you how to do that in Zoom. I do this many times for our community. In fact, I am currently on a Zoom right now. So let me show you my screen right now. We're all in a Zoom. Everybody say hi, wave at the camera. And so I'm in Zoom right now. So let's say I want to show my phone screen. So it's super simple. You plug in, you plug in your little phone to your Mac. And this is for Mac specific in this video. If you're looking for how to do this on a PC, I will have a separate video on that and I'll just put it in the description. So you'll see the PC version below. But this is for Mac specific. So you just plug this into your Mac, your phone, just like like you normally would to charge your phone. And then when you're in your Zoom room right here, you just click over here on share screen, and it might actually ask you to download something. If it does, I don't remember seeing that, but sometimes it asks you to download plugins and things like that. But so you'll just click on share screen, and then it's going to pull open this cool little window here where you'll have basic, advanced, files, a whole bunch of things you can share. And what you're looking for is there's two ways to share. I like and I prefer the cable because that's the most, it just connects better. So I just click on this little iPhone, iPad cable, and then you can share your sound down here if you want to click on that. You can optimize it for video clip if you would like. But then once you click on share, and now it is ready to go. And so one thing that you may run into, and I just want to throw this out there, is so like if I go through, I could start going through my tutorial on TikTok, Instagram, whatever you're doing. But one thing you may run into is it'll have a pop-up on your phone. It didn't show it for me because I've already approved it, and you're going to have to allow it. So you're going to have to click on allow and allow it for the screen share to go through. So that's one thing it didn't show during this tutorial, but just be aware of that. And then if you want to stop your screen, just click on stop share, just like that. And you're good to go. And that's how you would do a tutorial on your phone. So you just start going through your phone. It will show that to all of your Zoom meeting participants. And again, if you wanted to do it with the Airplay method, there is another method. You could do it via Airplay. If you want to use Airplay, I think you have to unplug your cord. You have to make sure you've allowed it all. And so I've run in like many times, even just in this video, I've ran into that issue probably 9 times out of 10. So I do not prefer the Airplay method. I know it works sometimes. So just use a cable, plug it into your Mac, and you're good to go. And you can also do this on a PC too, so I'll have a separate video on that in the description. If you got value from this, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments. If you're open to looking at other income streams that we do and what I do personally online, in the description I'll have some resources you can plug into, or you can go to seekprosperity.com. Make it a great day. See you in the next video.